Hello. Hello there, Randy with Retire with Options. This is an update on the TastyWorks 5K challenge. I believe this is actually the 5th week. I didn't really make any changes last week, so I didn't post a video on that. I'm still kind of sticking with Netflix, and I've added the cues in there. I'm not sure if I showed that on the last time, but on Netflix, I look at my activity. I actually closed the first one down here and rolled it out. And I've got this little QQQ spread hanging out there. And it's just trotting along and just keeping me balanced with Netflix, since Netflix is so volatile. So in the first 5 weeks, my profit and loss year to date, $1,142 off of a 5K balance, which turns out 1118 divided by 5,000 times 100 is a 22.36% increase in the account, which I'm very pleased with. I do very little monitoring of this account. It's kind of a set it and forget it, and yeah, just that's kind of it. So I'll check back in next week and we'll see where it goes from there. I'm going to continue to let Netflix run, and probably next week I might go put that top of that Iron Condor back on Netflix, because it has risen quite a bit and I can squeeze a little more premium out of it that way. So hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.